Bring that next load over here. All right, watch your step, it's still wet. All right, bring it down slow, watch the alignment.
Very slow.
Looks good here, hold it right there. Securing the connection now. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side, watch the left side. Hold it right there, secure the corner. Lift it up on your side. Hold it steady, watch the alignment. Pass me the drill, quickly. All right, lift it slowly. Holding steady, guiding it in now. Make sure you get that corner by the door. Okay, I think that's the last window. Looks perfect. We are done here. Okay, push the centerpiece to the right. Is that aligned with the table now? Almost, just a little more.